So guys, I just so happened to stumble across this department store and they were selling things for $1. And I just so happened to be going on a vacation soon. So let's see what I can make out of these $1 items. Let's go. So for this project, I'm using a plus size skirt that I got from a department store for $1. And this one is very simple. First, what you're going to do is use a seam ripper to remove the waistband. And all you do is go along that seam and remove the elastic from the waistband. If your dress does not have a waistband, then you're just going to remove the seam and take out the elastic or just unfold the waist. Once you lay that all out, you're going to put a pattern on top of it. I always like to use something that fits me well. And you're just going to use this to be able to take off the additional fabric on the side, because we're going to need that additional fabric for our top. So you're going to fold it in half and cut off the outside. Do not cut at the seam, cut the outside. And then you're going to stitch up on the sides of your skirt. Once your skirt is all stitched up, then you're going to add your top piece. And what you do is you combine those two pieces together inside out, and you're going to stitch them together. One quick stitch down the center. Once those pieces are stitched together, you're going to lay your skirt back out and you're going to stitch the top to the bottom. And you're just going to align the center of the back with the center of the skirt, and you're only going to stitch it to the back part of your skirt. Align that easily, pin it together, and stitch it. As you can see here, I'm also hemming the very front of the skirt as well. You don't want to leave that raw edge at the top. So you want to pin it all the way in the back and continue to hem it towards the front. And there you have the finished result. Now that one was really easy, but super, super cute. And this was actually my vacation birthday dress. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for some more of my videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later.